Actually, kanji is not a real problem. The real enemy is On and Kun. If you fix this, every kanji you learn will finally stick. In this video, I will give you one simple shortcut so you stop guessing On and Kun and start predicting them in seconds. By the end of this lesson, you will have two rule system that lets you feel On versus Kun in about 5 seconds. Let's begin. Rule number 1. On readings are Chinese style sound. How do you feel on quickly? First, look at the shape of the word. If it's a compound, 2 or more kanji stuck together with no hiragana in between, that's a big hint for on. Second, listen to the sound. Often it has strong katakana-like flavor. Sounds such as ga, ko, shu, sei, gakko, and jin. Third, think about the meaning. If it feels formal, academic, or like a big concept, it's usually used on. Take the kanji like this, the idea of study or learning. In the gakko school, we have 2 kanji together. In daigaku university, again 2 kanji and formal idea. In gakusei student, same story. Kanji plus kanji, formal feeling, and that gaku sound, your brain level is simple. Compound word, formal meaning, katakana style sound, that's an on reading. Rule number 2. Kun readings are Japanese-style word. How do you feel kun? Look for a single kanji acting like a normal word in sentence. Look for hiragana attached to the kanji called okurigana. Listen to the meaning. Does it feel like an everyday basic word in life? For example, manabu, to study, is a kun reading, the kanji plus hiragana, and it's a normal study. Hito, person, is simple everyday word. Pure kun feeling. Yama, mountain. Again, one basic object. This feel like word that existed in Japan even before kanji came from China. Your brain level here is also simple. Stand-alone word, everyday meaning, hiragana after the kanji, that's a kun reading. Now let's connect this to VENOM formula because this will glue the idea into your system. In VENOM, we split language into a verbal side and nominal side. Verbal is action, and nominal is labels, name, and concept. On readings love the nominal side. They appear in big concept, compound noun, technical, or academic term. They feel like labels your brain stick on ideas. Kun readings love the verbal side and the simple nominal word. They show up in every action and in basic object you touch and see. Look at this sentence. Nihongo benkyoshimasu. I study Japanese. Nihon, use the on reading. It's the name of country, a big concept label. Go is on, meaning language, another concept. Benkyo, to study, is also on, a study concept. Then shimasu is a pure Japanese verb pattern, sitting on the verbal side. You don't need to memorize 10 reading for every character. You just ask yourself, is this word a big concept compound? Then it's probably on. Is this a simple, everyday word or action? Then it's probably kun. Now here's quick daily drill to make this automatic. Every day, you take one Japanese sentence that has kanji. It could be from your textbook, from anime subtitles, or from a website. Look at each word with kanji and make a guess. This looks like a compound and feels formal, so I call it on. This looks like a simple standalone word with hiragana, so I call it kun. Then check with furigana or a dictionary. But don't just look at right or wrong. Say out loud, this on because it's a compound concept. Or this is kun because it's a simple everyday word. You are training your reason, not just your memory. After about 30 sentences, your brain will start auto-detecting on versus kun without you even trying. Now you can feel on and kun logically, not as a random noise. The next step is to stop being scared of kanji shapes themselves. In another video, I will show you how to see kanji as pattern and families so you can learn 100, 500, even 1000 or more kanji much faster using the same logical approach. So here's what to do now. If this shortcut helps you, hit like so YouTube shows this to more Japanese learners. Subscribe to Lingua Asia and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next VENOM Formula shortcut. then click on the kanji pattern video on your screen. I'm Hassan from Lingo Asia. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.